Hello everybody. Today what we have here is a white and brass 5-blade Fasco Charleston ceiling fan. This is one that I picked off a marketplace for, I think it was like 25 bucks, which was pretty good. I previously to this fan, I had a full white one, and I've been after a white and brass one for a while because I think white and brass is my favorite finish when it comes to the Charlestons. All Charlestons, pretty much. So this is one that I definitely had to have. There's not much to really say about it. I mean, it performs pretty similar to all the other 5-blade Fascos, like the State Fair and stuff. But besides, there's a couple exceptions, like the Vanity Fair. Those things are slow as hell. But yeah, let's get into it. The tassel is not original. That came with my veranda. I just wanted to put it on there for looks and stuff. Flywheel's in pretty good shape, which is always nice when it comes to these 5-blade and the World's Fair Fascos, because the rubber material that they use is really poor. And it's known for dry rotting and just disintegrating. The other 5-blade Charleston I had has that problem. I had to get a new flywheel for it. But all my other 5-blade Fascos, actually, I don't think really ever had that problem. I'm trying to think. The Decorator has a perfect one. Both great rooms have good ones. The State Fair is good. The Vanity Fair is good. So, yeah. Let's bump it up. Actually, one of the blades is kind of off clock, so I'll need to fix that. Filming this in the new testing rig too. Some motor noise. In that. That's irritating me. So yeah. Here's the 5-blade white and brass Fasco Charleston ceiling fan.